Well, our chief meteorologist Chris Holcomb is joining us with your 11 Alive weather impact forecast. Chris, there was also a tornado down in Coweta County, and we're learning more about that today.
And that was confirmed today as well. And what happens is the National Weather Service sends out survey crews. And as Keith was telling you in that sound that you just heard a moment ago, Keith Stellman from the National Weather Service, they're able to tell by the damage and the extent of the damage and the type of damage as to what type of rating they will give it. And the Coweta County tornado from March 31st, from early yesterday, is an EF-0 with winds of about 75 miles an hour. It was touching down right around 85 just east of Noonan, and then it moved along the ground for almost 5 miles here, again as an EF-0, pretty much going through these areas that you see crossing over Sullivan Road and then ending there just south of Thomas Crossroads. Now, we also mentioned the Henry County tornado. We talked about that last night, an EF-1 with winds of 90 miles an hour with about a 6.5 mile path length there. And you can kind of see that, and it was just north of McDonough near the Flippin area. I remember talking about that as we were tracking that live here early yesterday morning. Now, we're much quieter out there right now. We do have a few clouds mixing in with the sunshine. You can see a couple of those clouds that are moving in, but those clouds aren't giving us any rain. We're going to see a few more clouds blocking out the sun over the next couple of days, but even with additional cloud cover, these temperatures are really going to be rising over the next few days. So this evening, if you're headed out, we're in the 70s now. We'll be in the 60s for the evening hours and then down to the lower 60s by tomorrow morning. Stay with us. We're going to talk about these temperatures rising. We're talking about not just warm, we're talking about hot air with highs near 90 and the potential for some records to be broken this week. We'll talk more about that coming up.
Yeah, big change ahead. Chris, thanks so much.